Following the Sunnah. In our daily lives can transform mundane moments into meaningful experiences. Have you ever considered how small acts can lead to big rewards? Let's start with a simple but powerful Sunnah, smiling. It's contagious and brightens anyone's day. Plus, it's a moment to share kindness, just like the Prophet, peace be upon him, taught us. Next, when you eat, remember to use your right hand. This small action not only embodies respect for your food, but also connects you to the teachings of the Prophet, peace be upon him. How amazing is that? And let's not forget to greet everyone around us with salam. It's a gesture of peace that can change the atmosphere, invite warmth, and foster community. Every greeting is another step closer to the beloved, peace be upon him. Embrace these small sunnahs in your daily routines. Remember, each one is a path to connection and compassion. So let's live the sunnah together, one small step at a time. #LiveTheSunnah